How to fix Facebook lock profile option not showing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now search for Facebook and make sure to update to the latest version. Tap on open now. Now tap on the three lines. Now go to settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now scroll down a bit. Now under audience and visibility, check your phone. Now tap on report problem. Click on don't include. I'm not able to lock my profile. So please help me out. And tap on send. Now wait for some time until Facebook fixes the issue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.